Ekidnas! Today we're going to learn how to make an origami box. To make your box, you'll need a piece of paper. It can be any color, but it has to be a square. Flip it over so the white side is facing up, and then we're going to fold it in half. Make sure you line up those corners very neatly. Good job, Ziggy! And then unfold the fold you just made and fold it in half in the other direction. And when you're done, you can unfold the fold you just made. Now fold these corners into the middle. You can use the folds that you previously made as a useful guide because they cross in the center of the page. So just keep going and do this with every corner. So now you have a smaller square. Flip this square over to the other side. And then we're going to repeat the same process again, folding the corners into the center of the page. And again, you will have an even smaller square. And fold that in half and press it nice and flat. See this triangle corner? You're going to fold that to the middle. And then, on the other side, you're going to fold it the other way, to the back. And now you can open this like a mouth and press it flat. Now I'm going to take this bottom point and fold it to the top. Notice that I'm only folding one layer. And then flip the model over and do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to open this side like a book and then fold the bottom point to the top point once again, and then flip the model and do it one last time. So you have a little triangle. There are some small corners folded inside this triangle, so pull them out. There's another one over here, and there's two more on this side. When you do this, you can pinch the other end to hold onto everything firmly. Now flip your model over and then open this section here. You're going to fold it completely out so you can see the white side, and then fold these two triangles from the edge to the middle of the section. And now fold this part in half so that the edge meets the bottom. And then you can flip your model over and repeat the same thing on the other side. So we're going to open this area on the bottom and then fold these two tabs into the middle to make a rectangle on the side. This one as well. And then fold this piece in half. And then we're nearly done. Are you ready to see something really cool, Ziggy? Just take these two rectangles on the side and give them a pull. Be really gentle. Yes, your paper box is done! You can make them in different colors, like this green one I made here. How did you go, Ziggy? Wow, that's an amazing box, Ziggy! Your paper box is very useful. You can use it to store things that you collect. Or why not make a big box out of a piece of cardboard to keep your toys in? Thanks for crafting with us today. See you next time.